Hey all food lovers, I'm back with another exciting video, and today I will be demonstrating a very simple recipe that is a coconut and coriander chutney, which is often used as an accompaniment for your snacks. So let's see how you prepare it.
Take a mixer, add all the ingredients mentioned in the recipe except salt, sugar, butter and mustard seeds. Add water and grind it into a fine paste. Don't add excess water because the consistency of the chutney should be slightly thick. If you want to use this chutney as a spread for sandwich, mix butter, sugar and salt in it. You need 5 to 6 sliced breads with its edges trimmed and cut into triangles. Apply the spread on one slice and overlap it with another slice. You can make many more sandwiches depending on your quantity. If you want to use this chutney as an accompaniment for snacks, heat refined oil in a pan and add mustard seeds and temper it. Add sugar, salt and tempered mustard seeds in the chutney and mix well. Enjoy this coconut coriander chutney with snacks of your choice.
If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get all my latest updates. Thank you.